We are going to learn how to make $500 on a weekly basis using the apps that we have on our phones. We're not going to look aside, to look from anywhere. We're not going to tell you to download any app. The phones that you have on your phone, what you do, I want you to get your phone, look at it as we go through this video, and learn how to make use of those apps that you have already. I'm very sure that you're watching me, you have those should we call them apps? Those are essential apps that you use on every day. Now let's see how you can use those apps that you have already on your phones to make $500 weekly. Don't forget, we are doing this because we are specialized in teaching you, in teaching ourselves also. Or we're not teaching you. As we teach you, we teach ourselves, because we cannot preach what we can do. We're going to be looking at how to make money for free using our phones. We're going to be looking at how to exactly better these apps that we have on our phones to make this $500. I've talked about $500 because that is a bit list in these three apps. But you can set up, you can make your own target. You can say, no, me, I'm going to get $1,000 in a week. If you're talking about $500 in a week, we mean a month you should be having good $2,000. I know there are naysayers, there are doubting Thomases who can say, no, you can't make it. This is a scam. It is not real. How can it not be real? Others have used it and it has made money. I've used it and I've gotten the money. Why not you? I'm working a 8, 12, 9-hour job. My week off is 1 or sometimes is not there. I travel 2 hours going and coming. So how many hours are remaining? But I still make sure that I have to make this $500. So let's dive in and we'll see these apps. These apps are not very far from you. We are going to see how to use YouTube to make $500 in a week. We're going to see how you can use Facebook to make money. And don't forget, there's another popular one. It's called WhatsApp. WhatsApp, as you're looking at me, I know you have used it like 1,000 times from the moment you woke up today. But have you made money out of it? Yes. If you didn't know that you can make money out of it, I want you to go to the comment section and say I didn't know. And if you know you have been using these 3 apps on your phone to make money, please also put it in the comment section and also tell us how much have you made. Meanwhile, I'm going to dive in. We are going to be using a screenshot of my own apps to go step by steps. We're going to see the strength, how you can improve it, and how you can make this money out of it on a weekly basis. This time it's not monthly. Next time it will be daily. So let's dive in and see how we can make $500 out of these apps that we have on our phone. So let's see how we can earn $300 to $500 weekly on Facebook. First of all, I know you have Facebook, you download or you set it up if you don't have it. But if you have it, you go direct and easily make $500 or $300 by leveraging its massive audience. You know, it is one of the things that has massive audience. More than 2.5 billion are on Facebook on a daily, like not daily, but in 2 hours you'll get them there. One of the best ways is through Facebook Marketplace. Marketplace is where you buy and sell products. People are buying and selling products here. Whether they are physical items or they are digital products, people are constantly buying and selling products. Another method you can see here, like on my page, is also joining Facebook group or pages. When you join a group and pages, your niche has you will find a niche anyway of what exactly you want to do. When you find the niche, you start posting, uploading videos, uploading reels, uploading posts. You know what you do best. Here me, I always upload posts, I always upload the videos, I always upload reels. You can see these reels, and out of this one we earn every day. Can I call it instantly? I am not talking about promotions, I'm not talking about to be an influencer. Those are very many long things, but you can earn from your uploads on a daily basis. We always earn on a daily basis, and you can check it on a daily basis how you have earned. Putting constant other the ways of being the threshold, but like this is how you can check that you've how much have you earned. You can see this post, it was put today. Today it's hardly some minutes. Even this one, it was live for today. You can check the money. Of course, you cannot see money today. You can see money tomorrow or after 24 to 48 hours. So this is how you check money. You can check on a daily basis. This is the Facebook. So now we are going to go to a second app that you can earn money on. This is YouTube. I'm giving you the app that you have access to, and this is a proof. I have proofs that I've been earning on them for more than 1 year. You can earn on them too. I'm not going to go into details of how you can earn money on this, as in threshold and others. If you want to know on how you can earn, how you can reach the threshold, on how you can start earning, you can put it in the comment section. We'll talk to you about it. Even also, you can also go to our channels and see. This is our YouTube channel. This is where we are earning money on a monthly, weekly, and a daily basis. First of all, you can earn $250 to $500 weekly on YouTube. Next is YouTube, you people. It's another bang. Believe it or not, you don't need millions of subscribers to make money on YouTube, as other people always tell you, or millions of views to make money on YouTube. If you're consistent with your channel, even the smaller channel, you can earn money 250 to 500 on a weekly basis through YouTube AdSense, affiliate. But for us, and in me in particular, I always not tell you right now, I'm not even thinking about other things. I'm only thinking on only AdSense. AdSense is so good that you can time yourself and say, I'm going to earn 250 to 500 weekly on YouTube. What you do, it is to upload on a daily basis. Like me, I had to put a challenge on a daily basis because I want to meet some certain kind of money on a monthly basis, or on a weekly basis, on a daily basis. So this is how you can know. You can see I always upload daily. Daily. When I say daily, it means daily. And this is the video of yesterday. You can check every day how much you earned, and this amount of money, to know that how much you earned, you always know it after 48 hours. So this is a video that scored 3.5 watch hours as I'm recording this video. And now, if it reaches 11 o'clock of another day, you are going to go there and click on where revenue is. When you click on where revenue is, you are going to be seeing the amount of money that you earn. It is easy for you to ascertain, to plan for this $500 on a weekly basis if you have these three apps on your phone. Now let's go to another app that every person is having it. As you're watching me, you're having it. You've been using it since morning. This is WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp on your phone. You guys, I want you to first ask yourself, what have you used it today morning up to now? Since morning, how much have you earned? If you know you've not earned anything, this is my WhatsApp status. I just put on my video. My video is the one that I'm earning from. I'm not selling any product right now, but if I was selling right now, I would put it there. Even I put services like the accommodation that we put and other things. But let me make you go through people's statuses. This is a cafeteria near me. They are selling on there. This is a lady who is a YouTuber. She is selling because she gets money from here. She is here, BB Bet B, if you want to follow her up for lifestyle. Now let me look for you another person. This one is called Citizen. Citizen, one of the great friends and an influencer. He is selling himself and the services that he's using. He's selling visas. He's selling a lot of things that he's selling right now. Let's go to another person. I'm looking for you another person. This is Zebra. Zebra is one of the media influencer and entrepreneur. He has been doing different kind of of videos. Now he's into making money online. So you can see he's selling his video, because the moment the video gets views, he's getting a lot of money from there. I'm still showing you how people are making money with their status, and you have yours. Why not make money with your status? So this status you see here, you are not supposed to use it for. Now I come here. This is one of the fierce entrepreneurs called Olive. I call him Minister Olive. Most of my friends, you know him, all the people know him. If you see his status, flowers to you, Mr. Olive. Flowers and flowers. And I think Immaculate Show needs to give you something, a gift, because you're giving this video a meaning. If you see his status, his shop is his status. It doesn't mean that he has these items in his home. No, he gets the photos and puts there. So the People who watch his status, they make orders. The people who want these things, they make orders. I've had my friend, she says her things on her status. We have a Shine Mall, which is managed by my friend. She says on her status, what about you? Is your status just there to just put for her? What do you put on your status? Your status should speak money. You should monetize your status as you're monetizing your mind. There is no need to put a message for someone who hurt you or the person you hate. No, this one is selling unga. If you want unga, that this is CEO Wycliffe. Right now he's showing how his unga is in another gift center. So this is what I'm telling you. Someone you can station yourself and you sell $500, $100 on your status. I want you, as you watch this video from today, start planning exactly how can I use my status? How can I use these three apps to make money? See you in another video.